we have to download FMOD. So we go to the FMOD website and click Get FMOD. And of course, it's going to make you create an account. I already did this, so I'm going to sign in. And we have to download two things here. So we have to download the FMOD Studio. That's the actual application. And then we have to download the plugins for Unity. But I'm going to go first do the FMOD Studio. And so you have different versions you can do. You could do a newer version, but the last stable version will be the one that's highlighted. 2.02 version. This is the Unity verified one. And then you pick your operating system and go to download. Then it downloads this one. So go ahead and install that part. It's an exe file on a PC. On this, I just drag it to my applications folder. Okay, cool. Wow, that was easy. And then go to FMOD for Unity, and we have to download these plugins too. And they'll only let you do this one. So download that. So for the plugins, we won't put those in until we have downloaded the project and then opened it up.